What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos YouTube channel. My name is T Haas from over at the Crypto Shop, and that man down there is Jay Seals. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning back into the Clear Cryptos channel. We are growing every single day, well over 1,300 subscribers right now, and steadily climbing every single day. That being said, today we got another story for you. This one I think is very big, and I think that people are underestimating this one. So myself and Justin, we've made videos on this before. Watcher Guru brought the story back up, so we thought it was a great opportunity, especially since we're bullish on gaming cryptos this year. I think that GTA 6, Metaverse, and in-game cryptocurrency, you're going to understand why I'm so bullish on this. And if you know anything about GTA, you already know where I'm going with this. So, Justin, take us away, good sir.
All right. So, yep, just like Hobbs was saying, we're talking about GTA, we're talking about the metaverse, we're talking about crypto. So, the rumors are doing the rounds that Rockstar Gaming could integrate an in-game cryptocurrency in the upcoming Grand Theft Auto 6. Take-Two Interactive could be considering introducing the GTA 6 metaverse. Both Rockstar Games and Take-Two Interactive have remained very tight-lipped about the development and production details of GTA 6. Scrolling down a little bit, development on GTA 6 is underway as the leaks in 2022 confirm that gameplay has progressed extensively. The development could also include a metaverse and cryptocurrency integration, which would be absolutely insane. Now, they said that Take-Two may even adopt a blockchain and crypto into GTA 6, which would further the concept of a GTA metaverse. Given everything that's been leaked so far, GTA 6 will likely be far more than a traditional game and more of a platform. Just insane news to read right now. I know it's all speculation, but it sounded good so far. So, GTA Online has already integrated many aspects of a metaverse. It could be only a matter of time before they enter a new technological sphere. And I will say about GTA Online is that once they release GTA Online, I swear you see some of the biggest people playing it. I know there was a whole bunch of musicians that got into playing GTA. They streamed GTA. I think Snoop Dogg was even streaming GTA at one point before he got into Call of Duty. So, I mean, they got some heavy hitters that are really into GTA that will really pump GTA. Not that it needs to be pumped at all, because we're about to find out. In addition, Take-Two Interactive is taking GTA 6 seriously as its share prices now depend on the game. A successful GTA could make Take-Two Interactive shares, TTWO, hit the roof and generate capital growth. In 2013, it took Rockstar Games 3 days. Listen to me, guys. 3 days to earn $1 billion worldwide for GTA 5. It's now looking to break that record by making GTA 6 more robust, earning $1 billion in a day, or maybe two. But in a day, 1 billion in a day, that's absolutely insane. Like, think about movies that are like $1 billion movies. They take weeks to earn $1 billion. This is talking about a day. It's crazy. So GTA Metaverse concept and in-game cryptocurrency integration have not been confirmed, but Rockstar and Take-Two Interactive might never confirm the development, and we'll have to wait and watch for the game's release and find out if GTA will have a metaverse and cryptocurrency. So, Hobbs, bullish on GTA? Bullish on crypto gaming? What
Look,
up?
I've said it, and I'll say it again. Crypto gaming is going to be the new it factor of crypto this year, right? You can see it everywhere you look. You look at Gala Games coming out with incredible games. You look at WagMe Games in DeFi. You look at Boat in DeFi. You look at MMAI projects in DeFi space that are really focusing on gaming. This game, next to Call of Duty, is the granddaddy of video games for all ages, right? It shouldn't be for all ages, but let's face it, all ages are playing this game. $1 billion in 3 days in regards to adoption and growth, that has money signs all over it. Then you add in the fact that they're most likely, if they are to integrate the metaverse and cryptocurrency, they're going to integrate it in a way where you don't even know that you're dealing with metaverse and cryptocurrency. Because let's face it, GTA is already a metaverse. It's already there. Adding in cryptocurrency is just icing on the cake, and it's the mass adoption that's been around for years, but giving it to GTA and really proclaiming to the world that cryptocurrency is in GTA, it's going to bring so many minds to DeFi, to centralized exchanges. They're going to be looking for, guess what? Gaming tokens. So for me, this is absolutely huge. I can't understate how much you need to follow this story and figure out what cryptos will kind of be attached to it, and or businesses in the stock market that can be attached to it that you can kind of put your money into. So those are my thoughts. What do you think, Jay?
Yeah, I mean, when you talk about mass adoption, GTA 5, they had 143 million people play that game across the PS4 and PS3, and then 72 million people play across all the other platforms, right? So you add crypto into that, and you're touching way more people than pretty much everything else, right? Like, and right, of all ages on top of that. You talk about maybe them having some type of education in the game that's actually fun for people to learn about crypto while they're doing it as well, making them better investors. Because as we know, people learn better when they play games, right? When it's fun, when you make things fun for people, they get interested. So this is huge. I mean, it's very, very big for crypto adoption. I really, really pray and hope that GTA 6 comes out with something like this.
No, 100%, man. I couldn't agree with you more. So you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Let us know if you're bullish, bearish, you think we're crazy for even thinking this is a great idea. Either way it go, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. And my name is T Haas from over at the Crypto Shop. The man down below is Jay Seals. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.